morning friends. Now we are meeting again. We have to continue from organic compounds. In last video we have completed again an organic compound. You can see here it's reddish brown. You can see the color is reddish brown. We have to check the order first. Order is fishy. In organic compound, if color solution, that is brown red, reddish brown. In organic compound, only one compound has reddish brown color, that is aniline. Aniline comes from amine compound. So here we have reddish brown compound, that is aniline. First of all, we have to check saturated, unsaturated. Beer to water taste. Organic compound, we have to take organic compound plus beer to water. Beer to water color discharge. That means unsaturated compound is present. Beer to water taste first. Second, alcoholic group, cerulic ammonium nitrate taste. Organic compound. Plus we have already cerulic ammonium nitrate solution. We didn't get any pink red coloration. You can see no any pink red coloration. That means alcoholic group is absent. Third one, phenolic group. Organic compound plus 10% NaOH. We have to check miscible or immiscible. You can see in 10% NaOH it's immiscible. That means phenolic group is absent. For carbonyl group. For carbonyl group, that means aldehyde and ketone. Organic compound. For aldehyde group, 2,4-DNP taste. Before that, we have to add 1 drop of alcohol. Then we have to add 2,4-DNP, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. We have to add pinch of only. No orange red precipitates, that means carbonyl group, aldehyde and ketone both are absent. fifth number test for aldehyde. We don't have to do the test for aldehyde. We have to check for carboxyl group. Organic compound. For carboxyl group, you have to add NaHCO3. For this, if possible, then make NaHCO3 solution. That means add NaCO3 in test tube and then add water. Make it soluble. Then add into our organic compound. We have taken in another test tube. So we have to check effervescence or not. So you can see here no kind of any effervescence, that means carboxyl group also absent. Last stage for primary amino group. Organic compound plus 50% HCl. Organic compound, I will keep it, and we have to add HCl. We have to check miscible or immiscible. You can see here, after adding HCl, aniline is completely miscible. That means amine group is present. So here we have completed practical number 28 for aniline. Hi, let's move for practical number 29. This is our last practical, but we are doing here two practical. Both are same group. It comes from ketone group. You can see here I have two test tubes. One is colorless, second one is light yellow, that means you can see pale white, pale yellow. We have to check both the solution order. First, I will check this order. Second one, I have to check the order. Both have same order. Order lacks specific. But for our, you can check the solution like this. It's little bit cool, like nail polish remover. A second one is not cool, but this is oily. We have to check the group first. But from order, we can say that it's comes from ketone group. Specific order, both has specific order. Let's start. I am taking first this. We have to check the order and then group only. We don't have to specify what is the name of this compound. But in board exam, if they will ask you what is the compound of the name, then you have to say the name. What is the compound? The name of the compound. So first of all, again we have to check Br to water taste. We will do the taste from colorless solution first, then we will do this taste. So first of all, this Br to water taste. Color not discharged. Saturated compound is present, unsaturated compound is absent. Now alcoholic group taste. We have already salic ammonium nitrate solution. No pink, red, yellow coloration. Alcoholic group is absent. Third, for phenolic group. We have to add NaOH. It's immiscible. You can see here, it's immiscible. Phenolic group also absent. Fourth one, for carbonyl group taste. We have to add alcohol, then 2,4-DNP. We didn't get any precipitates. That means carbonyl group aldehyde. We got here orange red precipitates. That means carbonyl group present. So we can say here aldehyde and ketone both are present. So we have to identify if aldehyde present or ketone present. We have to check the first, it's aldehyde or ketone taste. So we have to do the Skiff taste. Organic compound plus Skiff reagent. Organic compound, Skiff taste, we have to add Skiff reagent. No pink coloration, that means aldehyde group is absent, but we can say ketone is present. So, if teacher will ask you what is the name of the compound, you can say it's acetone because it's odor like nail polish remover, then it's touched by its cool. So we have completed one ketone compound. We have another ketone compound which is yellow. Order, again specific order. We have to do all these tests, but I will do directly carbonyl taste. Organic compound plus plus alcohol plus 2,4-DNP. You can see here yellow precipitates. That means you can say carbonyl group is present, aldehyde and ketone. So after this we have to check it's aldehyde or ketone. Organic compound, let's do the speed test. No pink coloration. That means aldehyde is absent but ketone is present. So here completed our organic all the compounds. If teacher will ask you what is the name of this compound, you can say it's acetone. Specific order, in specific order have two solutions. One is acetone, second one is acetophenone. Acetone is nail polish like remover order, but it's cool. Then acetophenone is pale yellow and sometimes is oily. So you have to remember this. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.